everyone, today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So let's first open the settings and then tap on the sounds and vibration. Here scroll a little bit down and you'll see the silent mode switcher. Just to turn on silent mode, click once on the switcher. Also, if you wanna silence media in silent mode, just click on the switcher also. If you wanna turn off silent mode, click on the switcher once again, and here we can see the message that it's turned off. Also, we can do it by the second way. Just we should mute ringtone and notification volume panel, and now we can see that the silent mode activated automatically here. If you want to turn it off, just unmute this volume panel. So we can see that's so simple. Also, we have the third way how we can do that. Just press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and then click here on this bell icon once, and now we can see that the silent mode is on. If you want to turn it off, click here once again on this bell icon. And one more, the last way how we can do that, we should open notification panel, and here you should find mute icon. Just to activate silent mode, click here once on the mute icon. We can see that the silent mode is activated. If you want to turn it off, click on the bell icon once again. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.